Hello dear students, welcome to Toppscholars. We know that in a chemical reaction, a substance gets converted into a new product, that is a new substance. Today we are going to discuss about the different types of chemical reactions. Now friends, combination reaction, the name itself tells you what is going to happen in this reaction. Combination, something is going to combine, right? So a combination reaction is a reaction in which two or more substances react to form a single product. So what is a combination reaction? A combination reaction is a reaction in which two or more substances react to form a single product. In order to understand a combination reaction, let's have a general representation of the combination reaction, right? So here we can see we have two reactants A and B combining to give you new product, that is single product AB. Let's take an example now, right? So here I have magnesium, which is one of the reactants, which reacts with oxygen, that is the second reactant. These both reactants react with each other, that is they combine with each other, resulting in the formation of magnesium oxide, which is a single product. So in a combination reaction, what happens is two or more substances react to form a single product. Now friends, a combination reaction can take place between two elements. For example, here we can see we have hydrogen reacting with oxygen. Hydrogen is an element or a compound? Element, exactly. What about oxygen? Element again. So we have two elements reacting with each other, right? So when these two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, react with each other, they combine, resulting in the formation of H2O, that is water, which is a single product, as you can see. Now friends, a combination reaction can also take place between an element and a compound. For example, we have carbon monoxide reacting with oxygen. Now friends, tell me, out of these two reactants, which of them is a compound? Excellent, carbon monoxide, CO. And what is oxygen? Yes, it's an element, exactly. So as we can see here, we have an element and a compound which react, they combine with each other, resulting in the formation of carbon dioxide, CO2, a single product. Similarly, compound and compound also react with each other. So we have an example over here, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Both of them are compounds. These two compounds react with each other, combine with each other, resulting in the formation of calcium carbonate, again a single product. So from this we understand that combination reaction can take place between two elements or an element and a compound or between two compounds. Excellent. Now friends, let's move on to the next type of reaction, decomposition reaction. Now friends, the decomposition reaction, the name itself indicates what's going to happen in this reaction. Something is going to decompose, exactly. So a decomposition reaction is a reaction in which a single reactant breaks down to give two or more products. So what happens in a decomposition reaction? A single reactant breaks down to give two or more products, right? And friends, this decomposition occurs when heat is applied, right? Which means that decomposition reaction takes place due to the application of heat. Let's understand this by looking at the general reaction of decomposition reaction, right? So here I have a compound AB which on heating decomposes to give me A and B. That is, AB decomposes, that is a single reactant breaks down to give me two products, A and B, right? Let's have an example for this, right? So here I have lead nitrate. So if I heat lead nitrate decomposes, it breaks down to give me lead oxide, along with that nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas is liberated. So friends, here we saw that lead nitrate, which is a single reactant, it breaks down on heating, resulting in the formation of lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas. Excellent. So a decomposition reaction is a reaction in which a single reactant breaks down to give two or more products. Excellent. But friends, during a decomposition reaction, the chemical substance, that is the reactant, can break down into element, that is two elements basically. Let's take an example to understand this, right? So here I have an example of water. Now if I pass electric current through water, we observe that water breaks down into hydrogen and oxygen gas, right? Now, hydrogen and oxygen, they are elements or compounds? Excellent, they are elements. So, here we saw that water breaks down into two elements, that is hydrogen and oxygen, on passing electric current. Similarly, during a decomposition reaction, the substance can break down into element and compound. For example, hydrogen peroxide decomposes in the presence of catalyst platinum into water and oxygen gas. Now friends, over here, tell me, out of the two products, which one of them is a compound? Excellent, water is a compound and oxygen is an element. So here we saw that hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2, decomposes in the presence of platinum catalyst into an element, that is oxygen, and compound, that is water. Similarly, the substance can break down into compound, that is two compounds, right? So, for example, we have calcium carbonate. When we heat calcium carbonate, it decomposes to give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Now, again, you can look over here. We have two compounds which are formed on the product side, which means that calcium carbonate on heating decomposes to give me two compounds, that is calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So friends, as we've now understood about decomposition reaction, that is, during a decomposition reaction, the substance can break down into two elements, or element and compound, or two compounds, exactly.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.